Hello viewers, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the JavaScript to toggle between hiding and showing password on your website. Let's get started. Yes. You've seen the application, it's called HTML Tester. Look at the application here. You can download it, it's available on Play Store. This is this one. Can get the app from Play Store. So you click on the app, allow it to open up. You go ahead and create a new project. Let's name it show. Yes, once again, you don't have to type show.html. It's wrong. It's wrong because already it has a HTML ending. So let's go ahead. Yeah, I'll delete whatever work has been done there before so that we can start our own. Yes, so follow me. We start with our doc type declaration. You set your doc type to HTML. That is the HTML5 declaration. You go to the next line, type HTML. Still showing that the document is HTML document. You go to the next line, put your opening head tag. Go to the next line, put your opening title tag. You close the bracket. Well, let's type how to toggle hide / show password. Here you close your title tag. Remember, all open tags must be closed. Here you go to the next line, close the head tag. Yeah, now you put your opening body tag. Add the closing HTML tag, or you could just do the closing body tag also, and then under it do your closing HTML tag. Then you come here and space it to give us space to do the work we want to do on our project. Here you could open a H1, which is the heading 1 tag. Please type your password here. You put your closing H1 tag. Let's run it and see what we have. While the project is running, please subscribe to this channel, like the video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Yeah, it came out just the way I typed it. Yeah, please type your password here. So let's go back. Now let's give a space for the password. Let's use the P, that's the opening paragraph tag. P stands for paragraph in HTML for you beginners who are not really sure what it stands for. Yes, let's make it password, and then put your closing P tag. Now put your closing P tag. Yeah, let's run it and see what we have. Please remember to like this video. Yeah, it came out just exactly the way we wanted it. So let's go ahead and set our input type. Set your input type to password. If you are following me right now, wherever you are, set your input type to password. ID. Set your ID to. I'm setting my ID to demo. You can set your ID to whatever you want to set it to. So let's see what we have. If you're having any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Yes, okay. It came out just the way we wanted it. So let's add a button that is going to allow us to toggle between the hide and show password. So we declare our button type. Set your button type to button. It shouldn't be submit. If you set it this way, submit, it's wrong because it's not a form. So set the button type to button. When it's successful, when you set it to button, you do your on-click function. That is what you want to happen when we click it. On-click equals to my function. You put your open and close bracket, put the quote, close it, then we name it show / hide password. Remember, all open tags must be closed. We close it. Let's see what we have already. Yes, this is the way it is. You type whatever, it won't work because it's not done the JavaScript things. Doesn't it look jam-packed? Does it look good? Let's see. Under here, I will add the BR tag. That is the line break tag. This is what the line break tag does. These two tags that I put here, this is what it does, just like this. It shifts whatever below to the next line. So let's see whether the form looks nicer and what it gives us. Yeah, exactly. This is what it should be. So let's go ahead and set the JavaScript code that will make the button to work. Remember, our button is not working right now. If you type in whatever you might want to type, it doesn't do anything. It's just there. It's just the button doing nothing. Yeah, let's go ahead and add the JavaScript code that will make it work. So remember, in HTML, you use your script declaration for you beginners. Could be PHP or anything, but this time around we are using JavaScript. So you call the function. Remember, my own function here is my function. I name it my function. You can use it at the same time. It doesn't really have to be my function. You can give it any other name you want to give it. Yeah. So your var_x declaration, it is the variable x was to document dot get element by ID. Now if you note, the first E for the element is in capital letters. JavaScript is case sensitive. It's case sensitive. If this E was small letter e, it won't work. So remember, the name of my ID here is demo. Yeah, so I'm going to add it here so that it will work properly, to work the way we want it. Yeah. So we move over to the next line and use our if, declare an if statement. So we continue. If this x, that very x dot type equals, remember our input type here is password. So let's go and add it here. If x dot type equals password, you close the bracket, put your first wavy bracket, opening wavy bracket, x dot type equals text. You put your second wavy bracket to close this one. Yeah, it has closed that one. Else, you declare an else statement so that it will loop. It will show password, show as text, show as password. Else, you open a wavy bracket, you go down, x dot type equals password again. Remember, password. Now you use this closing curly bracket to close this one. You can see this one is closing this one is closing the one up, and like that. Then we put one more. This one is the one that is closing this very one we opened here. Remember, for those who are asking me whether it will work, and those ones who are telling me it didn't work, just follow this tutorial. Feel free, watch the video over and over again until you get it and you can do it on your own. Remember, all open tags must be closed, like we said earlier. So let's go ahead and see what it gives us. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Yeah, so let's type and see if it gives us anything. So let me see. Yeah, it works. Look at it. I typed in Mark Chidozie show/write password. It works. Also, you might not really make it a button. You could use, it's not necessary to use button. You could make the input type checkbox. You could use a checkbox here. Checkbox for those who are asking me whether they must use only button. So let's see whether it still works. Let's see. So let's type in whatever. Yeah, it still works. So for those who are asking me whether checkboxes will work, you can see checkboxes will work. Now your ID doesn't have to be only demo. Your ID can be my, anything at all, anything. But then remember, as you change your ID to my here, you come to this side and change the ID to my also. So let's run it and see. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. If you're having any question, drop it in the comment section. Again, we type whatever, say it still works. So it doesn't have to be demo. Please, it doesn't have to be demo. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.